G'day Internet, CJ here with you again for the final time today. So, we've given everything a good wash. The plastic bits and the button pad went into the sink in some soapy water for a good scrub. And then I've given them a final wipe over with a little bit of alcohol just to try to clear up any last residue in the cracks there. And yeah, that's all gotten clean as well. I pulled that little contact out of there before dunking it in the sink, and I've put that back. And the PCB has been given a good thorough soaking, spraying and re-soaking and respraying, and a good wipe with the contact cleaner. As you can see, it's now nice and shiny. All that sticky nasty coke residue or whatever it was is gone. Everything's looking okay. And go the other side of the water wipe as well. Made sure to also spray the battery contacts, although they look pretty good. So here we go. Let's see if I can reassemble this one-handed. I am actually going to get hold of a tripod and probably start shooting videos on my DSLR, my Sony DSLR, to stop the shaky cam. Sorry about that. But anyway, I've given this a bit of a practice, and I'll see how I go with this and see if I can keep it in frame. So that battery contact has got to go into that little slot there. Where are we? There. Alright, sorry, stand by it. Are we in? No. Oh, so close. Come on, you. There we go, that's got it. Yep, in she goes. Alright, sorry, doing it through the camera viewfinder on shaky cam is not ideal. So, basically, flip him over there. Is that ball going to stay in place? Okay. Now, is it going to snap together? Here's the question. Yeah, that's good. Oh, don't you do that to me, come on. Right. Yeah, I think we're in. You beauty. Without too much damage. You can't really tell I ripped into it with box. Oh, there you go. That's a bit shit up at the back there, but all right. Got the battery contacts in the right way around. That's good. Let's see. Hey! Yeah, beauty. Look at that. So I had a bunch of sticky buttons. Yeah, program and volume, the most frequently used, and the power buttons were the ones that I was mainly concerned about. Home button. Well, home button's still not working. Oh well. Cursors are. I can just hit the home button on the TV and then use the cursors, I guess. Anyway, so there you go. Give it a clean. It's a bit of a pain to get into them. I'm going to put little screws back in. And they often have hidden screws under labels. If there's a label in the battery compartment, you can't get the thing apart, pull the label up, there's probably a screw underneath it. This thing had these side panels that I had to sort of dig down so I could lever it apart. But it's pretty cool, yeah. It's almost like having a new telly, because you got a nice clean remote with nobody's dirty finger grease and nastiness on it. So there you go. Hope you found that useful. Cheers, guys.